You just finished recording your Zoom video and now you have no idea how you're going to edit that video. Well, no worries, you're watching the right video. I will be showing you how you could edit that Zoom video for free. You don't need to download any additional software. So if you don't have a video editing software, that's even better. We're going to be using a website called Canva. This is going to be a quick tutorial. You know me, I don't waste any time. So let's get into this. Go to canva.com, www.canva.com. I'm already logged into my account. So the first thing you're going to do, click on video. Click on the first option, which is video. On the left side, these are different things that you can do. You could upload your video, add elements, meaning effects and animation, text, which is very self-explanatory, change the background. Well, these are the main things that you can do. And on the right side, this is the canvas. This is where your video is gonna go. And the bottom, this will be your timeline. First thing we're going to do, click on uploads. You're going to upload your Zoom video. Select upload media. Wherever your video is, go ahead and select it. It's gonna take a little bit of time for your video to load. These are previous videos that I had, so I just deleted them. The main video is finished uploading. Click on it, drag it all the way to the timeline. So this is the video right here. Once your video is on the timeline, you could start editing your video. If I move the needle forward, it's just fast forwarding the video. When I move the video forward, now you see the person show up. If you're editing your video, the first thing you're going to do, you want to make sure to take out any mistakes that's in your video. And this is the first mistake that I see. On the left side, the person didn't show up yet. Their profile is blank. So I'm going to cut that part. Now there are different ways you could cut it. You could click on it, right click it, click split. Or you could go to the beginning of the clip, drag it to your desired location. Let's just say if I want to cut it to here, voila. And when it comes to the sound, just click on the video. At the top right corner, there's going to be a volume icon. Just click on it.
You look sharp as always.
So now if I want to bring it back up, I go back and I could increase the volume.
Thank you, my man. I appreciate it. Just a reflection of yourself, you know?
We're going to do some more editing. Let's play a little bit of the video.
Sharp as always.
Well, thank you, my man. I appreciate it. Just a reflection of yourself, you know?
Absolutely. Okay, so we're gonna be recording, and after that, I will edit the video. So don't worry, this is not live.
Pause. I have to cut that part out. I'm just going to go back to that clip that I'm saying that.
Absolutely.
You know?
After absolutely, I'm going to right click it, then click split. I'm gonna play it again.
Okay, so we're gonna be recording, and after that, I will edit the video. So don't worry, this is not live.
Okay.
Okay, so even though there's a mess up or whatever the case might be, I will edit everything and put it on my YouTube channel.
No problem, my man. Anything you need in particular going forward?
Okay, I'm going to cut that whole clip. Just right click it again, click on split. Scroll back. All you have to do is just click on the clip, right click it, click delete page. Or you could click delete on your keyboard. That middle clip is deleted. Yeah, so I don't want to bore you guys by keep doing that, but you guys get the idea. When you're editing your Zoom video, just play the video, whichever part that you want to cut out, just right click it, click on split, split the section that you want to cut out. So now I'm gonna play the video more.
Absolutely. And we're just gonna try to talk about how to become your own bank. Like, your content is amazing, by the way.
Thank you, my brother.
Like, I'm hooked right now. I'm hooked.
I'm also going to cut that part out. I could either right click it, I could click on split, or I could just take this and drag it. Once I drag it, I automatically cut the clip. So if I play it,
Thank you, my man. I appreciate it. Just a reflection of yourself, you know?
Absolutely.
All right.
Okay, so let's get started. Okay.
alright, so the part that I'm saying I'm going to cut that part out. I'm just gonna drag it.
For those of you,
Now let me go back to the beginning. Let me play it.
Wonderful.
you look sharp as always.
Well, thank you, my man. I appreciate it. Just a reflection of yourself, you know?
Absolutely. For those of you who doesn't know, tell us a little bit about yourself. Who is Mr. Rory Douglas?
Okay, so that's perfect. Go ahead and do that throughout your whole editing process. Just play the whole video, whichever part you want to cut. You just right click it and click split, or you could just drag it to cut it. And that's how you're going to edit your entire video. The next thing we're going to talk about adding text. On the left side, click on text. You can choose any of these options right here. These are the little animations that you can choose from. Let me click on this one, the middle one. All you have to do is just add the title, zoom, interview. Once you add the title, you could make it bigger. By going in the corner, it's going to turn to an arrow. You could drag it. To change the color of the text, go up. Make sure to click on it first. When you click on it, go up. Click on where it says text color. You could also add a bold effect to it. Right by the text color, you could click on bold. Let me fix that up. Zoom, interview. You can also animate the title and add effects to it and transitions. To do that, make sure you click on the text once again. On the top corner, click on animate. And these are the different effects that you can use. I think that looks pretty dope, so I'm going to leave that like this. Like I stated earlier, you could choose from any of these animated text effects. Click on the one that you want. Add it anywhere. You can also add transitions in between those scripts. In between those scripts, you see how I cut these two clips. Click on that plus sign. Click on add transitions. Choose whichever one that you want. Let's just say if you're editing your Zoom interview and you want to add another clip to it, just click on the plus sign. Click on add page. So when you do that, you're going to insert that random clip into your main video. Now, the good thing about Canva is the fact that they do provide stock videos and stock photos. When I say stock videos and stock photos, it means that you could go to their library, which is here. You could either click on photos or you could click on videos. If you don't see the option of photos and videos, just click on more. Right here, when you click on more, you will see the option where it says audio and video. So the good thing with Canva, you could go to their library and you could use their videos for free. So just search whatever type of video you want. Let's just say I could search for a business type video. Okay, like two people talking about business. I'm gonna drag it in between my main video. If I want to, I could cut this, right click it and click split. Voila. That's about it. Once you are done, the last step is to export your footage. To export your footage, go on the top right side, click on share, go down, click on download. Make sure MP4 video is selected. Depending on the type of computer you have, it might take a while, especially depending on your internet speed as well. I exported it to my desktop and here's the video right here.
You look sharp as always.
Well, thank you, my man. I appreciate it. Just a reflection of yourself, you know?
Absolutely. For those of you who doesn't know, tell us a little bit about yourself. Who is Mr. Rory Douglas?
Pause. I added the text right in here and then you notice the transition. Oh yeah, and I can't forget about this little clip that I added to the video. And that's all, folks. If you have any questions at all regarding this video, make sure to leave it in the comments. I created a cheat sheet. That cheat sheet will be in the description. It has a list of websites that you can use to better create your content online. I do have another video right here. This video will show you how to edit your first video. If you are going to be editing your Zoom video or any video, you definitely need to know the basics. So I'll see you later.